All right, our next step, after we've straightened our images, is to crop. So we're going to go over here to our crop tool. Everybody should be familiar with that. We're going to actually crop it as an 8x10, vertical or horizontal. That would be ideal, is to keep it 8x10 at 300 resolution. I know a lot of times when you have old pictures, you cannot control the exact dimensions. So what I'm asking is, if you have a family picture or a picture that is an odd shape, let's stick with 8x10 or 5x7. Okay? So if it's a 5x7, a lot of times your old portraits are 5x7. So that's what I'm going to see what works best for this picture I have here. So if I were to choose 5 inches wide by 7 inches tall at 300 resolution, then I'm going to take the corner of the image and I'm going to try to fill the frame as best I can. Now this is where your ability to save time comes into play. If you have damaged corners or edges, why spend a lot of time repairing old damaged corners when the most important part are the people? Okay, so I'm going to ask nicely, guys. Eliminate any area that is damaged that is not essential to the photograph. Okay, so this is an important tip that will save you time. Crop your image, 8x10 or 5x7. You can have it vertical or horizontal. All you have to do is switch the numbers around to be either 8x10 or 10x8 or 5x7 to 7x8, to 5x7 or 7x5. This will provide you with a much more clean image that takes less time to restore. So I'm going to choose this 5x7 vertical format. Going to crop it. You'll see immediately I've eliminated any of the outside edges. I've also eliminated the paper that was scanned around the image. Now, if I were to zoom in here, you might want to double check to make sure that all the corners are clean, that you didn't accidentally leave out part of the image that you wanted to keep. All right, let's assume that everybody's cropped it. Raise your hand if you have trouble cropping.